Hello everyone, welcome back to our Salesforce reporting series. In our last video, we learned how to create reports in Salesforce Lightning Experience. If you missed it, please make sure to check this out. In this video, we will explore the different report formats available in Salesforce Lightning Experience and understand when to use each format with a real-world example. So let's get started. So before proceeding ahead in this video, let's first see why a report format's important. Choosing the right format is crucial. Different formats help visualize and analyze your data more effectively. Salesforce Lightning offers 4 types of report formats: tabular reports, summary reports, matrix report, and joint reports. So let's understand each of them better with examples. Tabular report. Tabular reports are the simplest and the fastest way to view data. Think of them as a spreadsheet with rows and columns. They are best for creating lists. This is the example of tabular report. As you can see, list of students enrolled in specific courses. Just remember, think of them like spreadsheets. Summary reports. Summary reports allow grouping and subtotals, making them perfect for analyzing trends and generating insights. Let's see the example of the summary report. Here I am grouping this data with the course name so we can see the revenue of each courses. So this is our summary report. Matrix reports. Matrix reports let you group the data by both rows and columns, making them ideal for comparing multiple factors. Now in the same report, if we add instructor name in the group column section, you can compare instructor by revenue and the courses. Joint reports. Joint reports lets you combine multiple reports into a single view. They are useful for comparing different datasets. Now let's compare paid versus unpaid enrollments in the same report. Click on New Report. Click on Course Enrollment as report type. From the top left, change the report to Joint Report. Click on Apply. In Joint Report, we can add the report blocks and add the different filters to each block. Rename the first block Paid Enrollment. Add another block. Click on Add Block. Same as Search for Course Enrollment. Click on Add Block. Name this as Unpaid Enrollment. Now go to Filters. For block 1, add Payment Status as Paid. And for block 2, add Payment Status as Pending. Now in Group Across block, you can add student name to see paid and pending status of each student and their count. Now here is an example which report format you can use in which scenario. Here is a short summary. So here we are at the end of the video. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Salesforce tutorials. Comment below on what type of reports you want to see next. See you in the next video.